So the next sled up for first burn is this bad boy, the 25 XCR Polaris. Very important, this detail right here, 9R. Everything else is pretty much the same as last year's, but that 9R is the big difference. So far, I've been avoiding riding this at snowshoot, so this is my very first time pulling the trigger on this bad boy. I can't wait. Let's go. All right, trail's clear, and we're off. So, for 25, not much has changed on the XCR. It's still got all the good stuff. You can go online, find out all those details, but it's got the Walker Evans 2-inch velocity shocks all the way around, high and low speed compression adjustable, which is one of the main things I like about this platform. But the big deal this year is the move away from the 850 to the 9R, which was developed and seen for the first time last year in the RMK line, and this year it's now made it to the trails with the XCR 9R on this model anyways. And from what I've seen so far, it's spicy. Watching the other guys ride it, this particular XCR has got the longer tracker suspension in it. So this is a 136. I think for hardcore trail riding, you're going to want the speed and the agility, the 128. But 136 with this lug on it, I mean, it's going to come out of the hole strong. So here at Snowshoot, we are at elevation as well. If you look up, I mean, you can see mountains. Beautiful area to ride here. West Yellowstone is absolutely great. But we're coming into the area that was, at one time this all burned down, so that's why all the trees are a little bit lower. The good thing about coming into this area is because it's a little bit more wide open and you can get on it. It pulls good. Let's do this here. Let's just set her off to the side and see what it's going to have here. All right, we're clear. Oh yeah. Well, there goes that GoPro. Didn't like that. That's going to be a shot and a half. So obviously the 9R is strong enough to rip off a GoPro. We'll just pause here a minute. Still running? Yeah, it is. Look at that. It's always a guess where to set the camera. Let's go right there. All right. Perfect. So while we're here, a good chance to check out the velocity shocks. Everything else on this sled is pretty decent. I believe it has the accessory headlights on it. Maybe the accessory shin pads here, which is nice. I'm wearing shin pads inside the suit here, but having that on the sled is nice. And of course, the 7-inch display, that is very good. Really like it. All right, we're clear. Let's head back. As you can see, riding here, I mean, it's just gorgeous. The mountains there, mountains there, mountains there, mountains there. It's really good. If you ever get a chance to come out to West Yellowstone to ride, you will not be disappointed. And if you come out here, hop on a 9R if you got one, whether it's an RMK, XCR, got a great rental fleet. But what an awesome sled to be on in an awesome location here at Snowshoot. Oh, there it goes again.